Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can change your resume in LinkedIn. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the right-hand side where it says Me and use this drop-down menu to access settings and privacy. Now, once you've done so, you're going to go over to the left-hand side and look for data privacy. And once you've found data privacy, you're going to scroll all the way down and look for job seeking preferences. And underneath that, you're going to click on job application settings. Now, once you are in here, this page will show you your current resume. Thereafter, you can go ahead and tap on the upload resume, and this you will have the opportunity now to upload, let's say, your new resume, say open, and you can have more than one resume on your LinkedIn profile, but if you want to just replace the old one with the new one, you can just go ahead, use the three dots to open the menu and delete that resume. Now this is our new resume. It is automatically being saved, and you can now just tap on back and it is there. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.